What's your name?
Cam Bradman.
And you're here with a beautiful...
Yeah, 72 de Tomaso Pantera. Thank you.
Yeah, and so you came over and talked to us and you're testing out some of our product.
I am.
Yeah, and what do you think so far?
So far, I'm very impressed.
Yeah?
Yeah, very thankful I saw you.
Yeah.
I've heard a lot about your product. I've seen it, and I was going to buy some. And you said, before I buy it, try it.
Yeah.
And now I'm definitely going to buy it.
Yeah. And it was interesting, you thought the car was clean.
I did. I did.
And you came over, and when you wiped the roof down, what did you find out?
Yes, dust along the edges of my microfiber. I was not expecting that, quite honestly. I really wasn't. I thought, ventilation and everybody's car is clean. Visually, this car looked clean.
Yeah.
And then I wipe it down, and there's like a little bit of brownish gray haze on the rag.
And so after wiping it with the Intense Shine and Protect, what did you find? Did it feel different?
I'll tell you,
Yeah.
I spent a lot of time on the car to get here, and I thought it was good. And then I used your product, and yet there was a remarkable difference, not just by touch,
Right.
but the way the rag felt on the surface I came with, and then when I was done with your surface, the rag is just zip right across it. There's no question about it.
You know that it's slicker. Dust will come off of it. Dirt won't stick to it as much, right?
Right.
A lot of guys say that after they used it a couple times, when they go out in the garage, they can use an air hose and just blow the dust
sure.
off. Right.
Sure.
So you can really see the shine. But your car was shiny to begin with. And then after you cleaned the roof with Intense Shine and Protect, you used spray and wipe Carnauba.
I did. I used this one. This is the Carnauba wax.
Yeah.
I put it on just like you said, a light misting, agitating it, rubbing it in, and then buffing it off with. Then buffing is, I'm using that loosely. It did not take much to just get it off.
Yeah.
The thing I liked, many things, but the thing I really liked, my chrome. I don't have to redo that.
No.
I don't have to redo my window rubber.
Right.
Because your product didn't leave any residue, staining, white chalk, or anything.
All right, so you got another section to do? Let's show them how easy it is to work.
Yeah, certainly. I'll do this section right here.
All right, so let's look at it. It looks really clean. It's a very nice car.
Well, yeah, that's what I thought too. And I know that you said you can spray this on the material.
You can spray it on or the rag.
I'm just using it on the rag.
Yep.
And this is just the pre-cleaner.
The Intense Shine and Protect, which is a waterless ceramic wash and quick detailer. You don't need to use much when the car is clean like this to get good results.
And I just flipped the microfiber
Flip it over to do the buff.
Yep. It is absolutely different now from when I started. Absolutely.
Yeah. The rag gets really slippery. You can tell, right?
So
now when I look at the light here on the fender where you clean it to the hood, there's a visible difference in clarity.
Clarity, absolutely.
Right. Yep. It's hard to come through the camera, but it is definitely clear.
Oh, it is. It is definitely different. And I'm just putting this on the way you told me to, which was kind of rub it in like I was almost paste waxing or polishing.
Yeah, you get better effect at hiding using the micro scratch fillers by using it like paste wax, so you're rubbing it around. Yeah. So that it creates the refractions in light so they're less noticeable.
Certainly.
Yeah.
I just flipped
I know
the
that
rag.
sounds like a technical term, but...
Well, no.
Yeah, now see, it's hard to show through there but there's a pop in shine now.
Well, again, the camera may not show it as well as we can see it.
Yeah.
But I can feel it.
Yeah.
And so I know it's different.
Yeah, let's see the hood right there.
Sure.
It's really...
With the hood, it's larger. I'm going to go ahead and spray it on the hood itself.
Oh, yeah. Luckily your car's low, but you being taller, you do more bending over than most would.
Well, that's a fact. It really is a simple process.
It is. And like I said, with the Intense Shine and Protect, you
Look
can
at
clean
that.
your glass. Yeah.
There's some there.
Yeah, there's dirt. It's
Yeah.
getting it off.
Just this process is noticeably different.
Yeah. Yeah, it's clarity in the paint is what it is. Yep.
And I haven't even applied
The wax,
the
yeah.
Carnauba.
Yeah.
I'll do that now. And it is a larger surface, so I'm going to go ahead and
Yeah.
spray it directly on the sheet metal.
Doesn't take much.
Yeah, I probably did a little too much there.
That's all right.
Yeah, how long would you say a bottle like that would last if I were to do my car?
You know, the Intense Shine and Protect, you don't get it very dirty. You probably trailer it.
Correct.
It should last you a couple months easily, depending on how much you clean your car. A lot of guys go to the gallons. Because I sell the Intense Shine and Protect for $65, right, for a gallon, which is 8 bottles worth. And then the wax, you're not going to use the wax as much as you're going to use the Intense Shine and Protect.
Oh, all right.
So I would put the wax on if you're going to a car show like
Sure.
this or whatever, right?
Yeah. Well, plus, you know, honestly, my wife and I, we do take this out.
Yeah.
We absolutely go to dinner in it, nice day drives, we go to church in it.
Yeah, and so when you pull it back in, what I do when I take my cars out is pull it back in, let it cool down, and then I go out in the garage, have some garage time.
Oh, sure.
And take the Intense Shine and Protect, get it all clean, and then, you know, maybe apply some Carnauba wax if it's going to be there for a few days.
Right.
Yeah. And you want to do smaller panels because sometimes it can dry on you. Now in here, it's not going to, you know, smaller sections, I mean.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, in here you don't have that problem. But if you were outside and the panel was warm or, you know, you don't want to do it in the direct sun. Look at that. Now, see, I see I can see a difference there, yeah. And it feels absolutely like,
oh, for sure.
Great.
Yeah, you can see the light here and here.
Yeah.
The fender and the hood, and they're different.
they are.
Those two light reflections are different.
This is I want to say the color looks richer, or
Yeah.
a little darker than the fender over there,
Well,
right?
we can't have that. we got to blend that up.
All right. Well, so, you know, after trying the product, what do you think?
I love it. And I've tried a lot of different products. Some I paid a lot for, some I paid not much for.
Mm-hmm.
Your value over there, the price point, especially if I'm going to buy like a package, is fantastic. So I'm going to use this product now on our cars.
All right.
And that's a fact.
All right. Well, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.